Yeah. Yeah.
Yay.
Yes.
Do you like your job? Yeah, it's all right, I suppose. Will you drive? Yeah, sure.
Anyone. Anyone.
Anybody.
Used in questions and negatives to mean a person or people.
I haven't told anyone. Was there anyone you knew at the meeting? Grandchild. Grandchild. Grandchildren.
The child of a person's son or daughter.
They spend a lot of time with their grandchildren.
Quiz. Quiz.
Quizzes.
A game or competition in which you answer questions.
A television quiz show. Worst. Worst.
The most unpleasant, difficult, or severe.
That was the worst meal I've ever eaten. It was the worst moment of my life, she admitted. All right. All right. All right.
Not hurt or ill.
Harry's just slipped on the ice. Oh dear. Is he all right? She was very ill for a while, but she's all right now.
Used as an answer when someone thanks you, or something you say when someone says sorry, to show that you are not angry.
Thanks for getting the tickets. That's all right. I'm sorry, I forgot all about your party. That's all right.
Used to ask if you can do something or to say that someone can do something.
Is it all right if I put some music on? It's all right to have your friends round so long as you check with me first. Is it all right with you if I leave the window open? Look. 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 Overlook.
Used to describe the appearance of a person or thing.
That food looks nice. You look tired, my love. Do I look silly in this hat? Worse. 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 Worsen. Worse. Worse.
More unpleasant or difficult than something else that is also bad.
The exam was worse than I expected. His behavior is even worse than his sister's. The heat is much worse in the daytime. Laptop. Laptop.
A computer that is small enough to be carried around and used where you are sitting.
A laptop would be really useful for when I'm working on the train.
Battery. Battery.
Battery. Battery.
A device that produces electricity to provide power for mobile phones, laptop computers, radios, cars, etc.
My car has got a flat battery. A rechargeable battery. A battery-operated hairdryer. Ill. Ill. Illness. Ill.
Not feeling well, or suffering from a disease.
I felt ill so I went home. He's been ill with meningitis. Sophia fell ill or was taken ill while on holiday.
Heart, heart,
Heart, heart.
The organ in your chest that sends the blood around your body.
Heart disease or failure. He's got a weak or bad heart.
high, high,
High, high, height, high, highly.
Having a large distance from the bottom to the top.
A high building or mountain. Appointment, 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 appoint.
A time you have arranged to meet someone or go somewhere.
A dental or doctor's appointment. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Evans, please. I canceled the appointment.
Snake, snake,
snake, snake,
A long, thin creature with no legs that slides along the ground.
He's terrified of being bitten by a snake. A snake bite. Snake venom.